Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how I can disable the filter or sticky key pop-up on Windows 11. That's very annoying since Windows 10 or now it's Windows 11. So I can show you if I press Shift key for 8 seconds, it will pop up as a sticky key. So I will press the Shift key for 8 seconds. You can see this pop up over here. Filter key is very annoying. How you can turn off this, and you also turn off the whole right Shift key for 8 seconds. I will show you very quick in this video. Okay, you need to turn off this one and go to the start option. You search for control panel. You will set the view by its category. You will choose this option, and you will go to the ease of access center.
Scan this section.
You will scroll all the way down and you will find the option called make the keyboard easier to use. We can see two options over here. The first one is sticky key, turn on sticky key. The second one is turn on filter key. I want to disable both. So first of all, I will go to setup sticky key over here. And you can see the keyboard shortcut over here, turn on sticky key when press the Shift key 5 times. So if you want to turn off it, you just need to uncheck this item. Okay, then you apply the settings and I will come back to the previous page. You will go to the filter key over here. I also want to turn this one off. You will go to setup filter key and you'll see a similar option called keyboard shortcut, and you will see the option called turn on filter key when right shift press for 8 seconds. So you also need to uncheck this one and you click apply. Okay, that's also where you can disable sticky key or filter key on Windows 11 or even Windows 10 or Windows 7 on Microsoft Surface. Okay, that's all my videos. If my videos helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.